Express was set up in 2007 by myself and my father, Steve Bromberg Sr. Ever since our inception, all our products have always been bespoke. We constantly evolve our product range based on market trends. We want to remain as the market leaders in the industry, and most importantly, we always want to make sure we're offering the very best products to our customers.
We take great pride in making our customers' dream homes a reality. It's not enough for us to simply provide the doors and windows. We take every customer as an individual and go above and beyond in everything we do to ensure they get exactly what they wanted and enjoy the process.
We're a well-established company now and a very large organisation, but the nice thing is that the family feel has never left us. We've still got my father working here, still got sisters, cousins, family members, and what's nice is that brings a real team feel to the whole company. We believe the showroom experience is really important, so you come and see the products firsthand, have a look and feel, and most importantly, see exactly how they will look in your home. We're more than happy to take customers next door to see where all their products are made. We understand that it's a key investment for your home, so it's very important that you look where we're based and see where all the products are going to be put together.
From the arrival of our aluminium components all the way through to our goods being ready for delivery or installation, we're really proud of the processes we have put in place and the departments that make Express the brand that it is.
One of the major benefits of working with Express is that all our products can be mixed and matched to suit your individual project, just like this luxury home that I'm stood in right now. Inside this space, we've manufactured and installed the large format roof lights, the full height picture windows, your slim frame sliding doors, and even some bifolding doors for the outside barbecue area. These customers can enjoy their products for many years to come, safe in the knowledge that everything is covered by a comprehensive guarantee and by our dedicated after-sales service.
We offer a 10-year comprehensive guarantee to all of our customers. We have a dedicated after-sales team who look after any queries or any problems that may arise with your products. We have over 300 employees who work for us here at Express Bifolding Doors, and we cover the length and breadth of the UK. We're fortunate to have 4 different depots. We've got 2 down south, one in Weybridge and Romford, obviously head office in Leeds and in Scotland as well.
I think one of the best things for myself here at Express and all our staff is seeing the finished results that we give to our customers. We sometimes come into a job at a very early stage, and we all take great satisfaction in seeing some of the beautiful homes that we help to create. We have ambitious plans moving forward. We very much want to build on our success over the past years. We also want to look after the thousands of customers that we have who've already got Express products in their own home, as well as work with thousands more to help create some beautiful, light-filled homes and open plan spaces across the entire UK.